This is RSVR Hydration, an athlete-driven hydration system that disappears on your back. Hydration bladders were designed decades ago and have not changed much. They prioritize storage, not performance. RSVR is a hydration system purpose-built for athletes. It features a patent-pending design that contours to the body. The result? Stability in a profile so slim, you'll forget it's there until you need it. RSVR also goes beyond hydration with heat-sink technology, helping athletes recover on the go. Internal baffles control movement and store more fluid in less space. The TrueZip closure provides direct access, and the modular system can be tailored to your unique adventures. The result is a lighter, faster, more configurable system, built specifically for modern endurance and performance needs. RSVR isn't an iteration. It's a redesign of hydration from the ground up. At its core, this system is unlike conventional hydration reservoirs. Our patent-pending system conforms directly to athletes and eliminates the need for a traditional hydration pack. That means minimal standoff, minimal drag, and a noticeably slimmer profile. You feel it immediately. Less resistance and better stability. Inside the reservoir, multiple anti-slosh baffles reduce movement, keeping the profile slim and the ride stable. No bouncing, no shifting, just consistent performance. RSVR also enables users to pre-cool the units with direct contact to the athlete's back. The system pulls heat away from their core and aids in active recovery. Our underarm hose routing reduces wind resistance and allows for a more natural hands-free bite valve experience. Access and durability are critical. We use a TrueZip waterproof zipper to give you easy access for cleaning, refilling, and servicing, while maintaining a fully waterproof seal. This means you can directly refill or add electrolytes while on the go. No removal required. And weight matters. A fully configured system comes in at 25% lighter than competitors, at 320 grams. That's a performance difference you can feel. Because our materials are hydrophobic, the pack won't gain weight from absorbing sweat and is easily wiped clean. Capacity, features, and setup can also be tailored to your environment. Combine an RSVR front vest and a 2.8-liter bladder for a full day out, or go light with our front harness and 1.8-liter bladder. You bring exactly what you need for your adventure. This is more than just a hydration pack. It's a performance system. Lighter, faster, and more adaptable than anything on the market. RSVR isn't just a concept, it's ready. We have wrapped up factory development and testing, and we are set to kick off our first production run and expect to ship orders in August. Stop carrying the past. Back RSVR today and be the first to experience hydration redesigned.